Ladies and gentlemen, good day and welcome to Admach Systems Limited H1 FY26 earnings conference call. As a reminder, all participant lines will be in the listen-only mode, and there will be an opportunity for you to ask questions after the presentation concludes. Should you need assistance during the conference call, please signal an operator by pressing star then zero on your touch-tone phone. Please note that this conference is being recorded. I now hand the conference over to Ms. Achal Jain from Orient Connect. Thank you, and over to you, Ms. Jain.
Good afternoon, everyone, and a warm welcome to all of you. I am Achal Jain from Orient Connect, representing the investor relations team of Admach Systems Limited. And on behalf of the company, I would like to thank you all for joining us for the earnings con call of H1 FY 2026. Before we begin, I would like to state a brief cautionary statement. Some of the statements made during today's call may be forward-looking in nature. These forward-looking statements are subject to certain risks and uncertainties that will cause actual results to differ materially from those expressed or implied. These statements are based on management's current expectations, assumptions, and information as of now. Investors are therefore advised not to place undue reliance on these forward-looking statements when making any investment decisions. The purpose of this call is to share insights into the company business performance and financial results under review. Now, I am pleased to introduce the members of the management team present with us today. Mr. Ajay, Managing Director, Mr. Mahesh, Executive Director. With that, now I hand over to Mr. Ajay for his opening remarks. Thank you, and over to you, sir.
Hello, everyone. Good afternoon. I thank you all for joining us today. This is Admach Systems Limited's first investor and analyst call post our recent listing. I would like to begin by expressing our sincere gratitude to our shareholders, investors, customers, partners, and employees for the trust and confidence they have placed in the company. Admach Systems was incorporated in the year 2008 with clear focus on building a technology-led engineered-to-order engineering solutions. Over the last 17 years, we have developed strong capabilities in designing and manufacturing customized solutions where precision, safety, compliance, and execution reliability are critical. Today, Admach serves a diversified set of industries, which includes steel and mining, where our customized solutions are processing equipment support large-scale industrial operations, atomic energy and defense, where we deliver mission-critical systems with stringent quality and safety standards, automotive and advanced manufacturing, is supporting automation and testing requirements, non-destructive testing is catering to regulated industrial and inspection applications, food, tooling, and other advanced engineering segments requiring customized application and specific solutions. This diversification across end-use industries reduces cyclicality and strengthens the quality of our order book. Our operating model is built on strong in-house engineering and a full integrated manufacturing facility at Pune, covering design, fabrication, machining, assembly, and multi-stage quality control. This integrated approach enables us to offer customized solutions with consistent quality, faster execution, and competitive costs, while effectively competing with global imports. And we have also built long-standing relationships with marquee domestic and international customers, including several European engineering companies, reflecting sustained customer trust and execution capability. As global engineering companies increasingly adopt a China Plus One strategy, closer India-Europe trade integration strengthens India's role as a manufacturing base, and we believe Admach is well positioned to participate in this shift through its existing European partnerships. During the recent period, we have continued to witness healthy order inflows from reputed customers across core industries, including nuclear fuel complex, NMDC steel, and these are some examples of our recent order book. With these additions, the company's cumulative order book now stands at approximately 76.95 crores, providing strong visibility for execution over the coming quarters. FY25 marked a phase of strong operational progress for Admach, supported by improved execution, higher capacity utilization, and broader product mix. At the same time, we recognize that scaling a project-based engineering business requires a disciplined focus on working capital management, delivery timelines, and capacity planning, which remains key priorities for us. As we move forward post-listing, our focus is firmly on disciplined execution of our diversified order book, improving cash flow conversion, undertaking selective capacity expansion to support future growth, sustaining margins through engineering-led differentiation, and strengthening governance, systems, and disclosures appropriate for the listed company. We believe Admach is well positioned to benefit from structural tailwinds in domestic manufacturing, infrastructure-led capital expenditure, localization of global supply chains, and rising demand for advanced testing and automation solutions. Our objective is to translate these opportunities into consistent, profitable growth and long-term value creation for our shareholders. With that, we will now open the floor for the questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you. We will now begin the question and answer session. Anyone who wishes to ask a question may press star and one on your touch-tone telephone. If you wish to remove yourself from the question queue, you may press star and two. Participants are requested to use handsets while asking a question. Ladies and gentlemen, we will wait for a moment while the question queue assembles. The first question comes from the line of Aryan Bhatia with Invert Research. Please go ahead.
Thanks for the opportunity, sir. My first question is regarding our CapEx. We're doing a 15 crores of CapEx for CNC machines, right? So will this lead to, increase in margin, because this is sort of backward integration for us as we were dependent on third-party vendors? And second thing, will this also lead to the reduction in working capital, because you have said in your IPO calls that our inventory consists of machines, so we will be able to, due to this CapEx, will be able to execute the order faster. So this is my first question.
Sorry, I couldn't get your question actually. The audio is not very clear.
Mr. Bhatia, can you come in a little closer to the mic and speak? Your voice is breaking.
Sure. So am I audible right now?
Yes, better than before. Please go ahead.
Okay. My question is, we are incurring a 15 crore CapEx on CNC machines. Sir, will this lead to further improvement in margins? Because, we were dependent on third-party vendors for some of the key raw materials. And second is, will this also lead to the reduction in working capital? Because if I'm remembering correctly, our inventory consists of, the finished machines. So will this lead to both reduction in, improvement in margin and reduction in working capital, as we will be able to, execute the orders fast?
Yeah. So the funds raised from this IPO, we are installing equipments which are required for manufacturing the components required in our machines. So this will definitely improve the margins, because we will be saving on our payouts to our vendors. And also more than that, we will be saving on the overall timeline of the project, because we will be able to executing the project a bit faster than before, since the activities are happening in-house. And the second advantage is we will save a lot on transportation and coordination.
Okay. So what will be the reduction in working capital due to this, and when can we expect this CapEx?
Mr. Bhatia, sorry for interrupting. Your voice is breaking again. Can you come in the range and talk?
Okay. So my question is, what will be the reduction in working capital, and when we can expect this CapEx to come live?
So this the equipments which we plan to buy for our regular manufacturing purpose, they are being ordered now, and they will be available in next around 7 to 8 months. and then the installation time, whatever it takes, like 15-20 days, and then it will be going live. And the time which we will be saving for every equipment for manufacturing will surely be reduced by 30 to 60 days.
Great, great. That's great to hear, sir. And my second question is regarding our, growth guidance for this year. So we were targeting about something 70 to 80 crore of top line.
Sorry, audio is not very clear, sir.
So my question is regarding our growth guidance. So we were targeting around 70 to 80 crore of top line this year. So are we still intact to achieve this guidance? And what is the growth we are targeting for FY27?
The 70 to 80 is still we are firm on that, and we are working towards that with a lot of projects on shop floor and a lot of orders. As you can see, the order book is also quite healthy now, with few more lined up during next few months. So for this year, okay, 70 to 80 is absolutely okay and possible. And next year, we plan to have better numbers than this.
Great, great. And so my question is like, we had a reduction in increase in gross margin and
Mr. Bhatia, sorry
in
for
other
interrupting.
expenses, which are...
Yeah, your voice is breaking once again. Can you just come in the range and talk?
Okay, so my question is regarding the increase in EBITDA margin. So we have like reported around 23.4% EBITDA margin in this quarter. So on an annual basis, is these numbers sustainable? Or
Yeah.
when the 20% range of margin?
Yeah, when we plan to have these facilities in-house, it will surely have positive effect on EBITDA margins as well as PAT. Better than what we have in our books now.
So can we expect the PAT margin to grow further from this 15%?
We plan to for sure, and the exact figures I will not be able to give right now, but it will surely be better than what our books are showing now.
And so this order book, what is our target, close for FY26 order book? In H2, what is our target growth order book?
Mr. Bhatia, your voice is breaking. Once again, can you come in the range and talk?
My question is regarding our order book. What is the order book we are targeting by H2 FY26?
Order book currently is 76 plus crores. We are expecting few more orders, and all these orders will be executed, let's say, by Q2 of next financial year. And we are expecting some good orders in the next 1 or 2 months. So our order book will surely be healthier than what we are doing today.
Very great. Thank you, sir, and best of luck.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Next question comes from the line of Neville with Credent AMC. Please go ahead.
Hello, am I audible, sir?
Yes, you are.
Yeah.
Please go ahead.
Yeah, please.
So, sir, Admach already works with the European engineering partners. So, how could the EU-India FTA enhance this relationships commercially and operationally?
Okay. So currently we are working with 6 European partners, and I am also waiting to get that document, what this agreement is saying, because it is just declared today. And I'm quite bullish on it, because if the things work well, we are already working with European partners for last 4 or 5 years. So once we go through the agreement and document, then I will be able to comment on that. But okay, we are happy that this is happening, and it will surely have a positive effect on our business also.
Okay. And sir, do we have an operating presence in the oil and gas industry? And can we highlight any partnership with the global majors in this segment?
The oil and gas industry, we are making equipments which are used for transportation, which are used for testing of the pipes and tubes which are used in oil and gas industry. And with our European partners, we are making quite a few equipments for oil and gas industry pipe testing equipments, which are actually which are actually required as per API standards, that is American Petroleum Standards. And we are making quite a few equipments of them. And currently also we have some 4 equipments on our shop floor which are going into this industry. That is in the field of X-ray and ultrasonic testing.
Okay. And sir, can you please outline the company's presence and growth opportunities across various sectors such as steel, automobile, defense, atomic energy, as the Indian government is planning to privatize the nuclear energy thing?
In steel industry, we are working in all what I would say SBQ grade steels like this. These are all special grade steels, alloy steels, and we are making quite a few equipments for the finishing equipments and in the billet as well as the long product bars. And about other fields, we are also working in NDT, wherein X-ray, ultrasonic testing, magnetic particle inspection equipments are involved. Additionally, we are working for defense industry, like we have many equipments in BRC, then ordnance factories. Currently, in last 2 years, we have exported equipments to government of Taiwan and government of Korea for testing the missile shells. And today also we have one equipment under testing for government of Brazil for testing the howitzer entire assembly. So this is going to be exported to Brazil, and similar equipments we have few more in pipeline which are under discussions, at least 3 of them.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir, for answering the questions. I will join back in queue.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Once again, a reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Ladies and gentlemen, okay, we have a question that is from the line of Ashok Shah with Eklavya Invesco Family Office. Please go ahead.
Thanks for allowing me. Sir, I entered late, so can you just tell what is the current executable orders which can be executed by the March end and also next 1 year?
Okay, so currently we have already generated revenue or completed the orders worth around 40 crores. Our current order book is 76 crore plus, and out of that, by end of March, we are sure of executing total of, including the 40 which we have already executed, 70 plus crores we will achieve by end of March, and the rest will be carried forward to the next quarter. And we are expecting some more good orders in next 15-20 days or maybe a month.
Sir, can you just inform how many orders we have bidded currently?
Currently, around, if I'm not wrong, the quotations which we have submitted are of the tune of 200 crores.
200 crores. So do you expect to be L1 in at least 50% of this order?
Yeah, it will be more than 50%.
More than 50%?
Yes,
then, sir,
sure, because...
So next year we would be having a order book position of more than 100 crore. So would we be able to execute within 1 year, or what will be our execution cycle?
Definitely within 1 year with the current order book, whatever we are completing by end of March, some will be carried forward. That too will be executed by Q2 of coming financial year, and then few more are in pipeline. So these orders maybe I can say if this year we are doing 70 plus, next year around, means for sure 100 plus we will be doing.
So out of that, can you bifurcate that what percentage of order will be for the defense system or the industrial system, or can you just give some throw light on it?
Generally, sir, our business has a percentage of about 50% of business is coming from special grade steel processing equipment, and 30% is coming from NDT and defense.
So 50% comes from the defense systems. So do we get any payment with the order of 15 to 20%, or how it works, payment cycle?
If it is a government order, then there is no advance received at the stage of order. But with the private players or the steel industries, we generally get 20% advance, and 70% we get when the equipment gets ready and the customer inspects it at our factory, and 10% we get after we install the equipment at customer's place.
And how about the government order? How the payment cycle runs?
Normally, it is part of negotiating the commercials. Around 80 to 90% amount comes when the equipment is inspected at our place. There is no advance term mostly in the government orders.
So from the start of the order to the end of the order, around 6 to 9 months, our working capital is blocked. Is it true?
No, not for 6 to 9 months. The government orders which we are executing, they are all getting completed in 3 to 4 months. And out of that, for first 1 month only engineering is happening. So no physical money payout is happening. And the moment we start ordering the things, then our payouts start. And if I'm investing 100 rupees, not right from day one, I have to invest 100 rupees. So our investment cycle will be somewhere around 60 days, not more than that.
Okay. So with the IPO money coming in, sir, our working capital, what limit we can achieve in next few years? Around 200 crore of business per year?
Yeah, we are targeting that.
Okay. So profitability will be at same level, or how it's a competition?
Currently, the PAT is somewhere around 10 plus. We expect increase of 2 to 3% with fulfillment of object, and when we have all facilities in-house for machining and all. So then the EBITDA and PAT will surely improve.
Sir, I have one suggestion. Can you arrange the plant visit for today's call who has attended, so they can attend and meet you and see how the work is going on, what type of works you are doing?
Sir, you are most welcome. You just let me know when you want to visit. No problem. You are most welcome.
So no, it is organized at a group level. It will be much better from the IR side or something like that.
No problem, sir. You can form a group. Just give me a call, and I will make sure that your visit goes well.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you for answering all questions. Thank you. Very best wishes for the current year and next year.
Thank you. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Next question comes from the line of Neville with Credent AMC. Please go ahead.
Hello.
Yeah.
Sir, of the 29 crores in revenue in H1 financial year 26, so what percentage was specifically contributed by high margin segments such as defense, nuclear, and aerospace compared to the traditional sectors like steel and automobile?
You mean to say out of 29, how much is for the defense?
Percent. Yeah. In terms of percentage, how much it's from defense and nuclear?
Around 10 to 15% currently.
Currently around 10 to 15%.
Yeah.
Okay. And sir, we are having an order book of 76 crores.
Mm-hmm.
So From that, can you give the bifurcation? So what comes from the nuclear, from defense, and from the other traditional sectors?
As you must have seen in the portal, we have declared a few orders post our listing. So one single order is from NFC, that itself is about 10 crores. That is from defense, and then from our German partner, we are executing order for government of Brazil, that is about 2 crores. So around currently, we have in the order book, we have about 10 to 15 crores from defense sector.
Okay. And sir, about the nuclear and the aerospace sector?
It is a nuclear thing, no?
Nuclear.
NFC is nuclear only.
Okay, sir. And sir, what kind of growth in terms of order and margin can be seen from these segments?
Currently, we are getting quite a few good requirements in the defense sector. As I said in the last question, we are currently executing one order for government of Brazil for the defense sector, and already we have 3-4 customer visits who are also interested in buying these machines, and most probably they will close the deal next 1.5 to 2 months. So it is good actually. In the defense sector, the projection is good.
Okay, sir. And sir, who are our domestic competitors, and how are we placed better in terms of them?
In domestic industry, in this type of business model, we are not selling any product. This is all concept selling business. This is tailor-made equipment, and this is concept selling basically. So if my concept is liked by the customer, he doesn't even go for the second quotation also. And we provide end-to-end solution, like right from design till commissioning, and we have all the facilities in-house. And when we set up the entire lines, there are actually nobody who's doing this end-to-end solution in this special category of equipment. We get competition only from Europe as of now, but price-wise we beat them easily.
Okay, sir. Sir, thank you for answering the questions. I will join back.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Next question comes from the line of Ashok Shah with Eklavya Invesco Family Office. Please go ahead.
Thanks for allowing me to ask question again. Sir, as a government has a plan, a smaller size nuclear plant. So do we have any cater to such orders or something like that?
Yeah, in nuclear plants, they require special tubes actually. So these tubes processing equipments we do make, and also there are very precise presses where they need high pressure fluid, and we do execute orders for this very high pressure fluids which run the presses. So in nuclear, yes, these are the areas where we have been making equipments and catering to the requirements of our customers.
So do you have any estimate or something? What could be a future order book we can get from this, or what's the size of this industry?
I'm not sure really currently, because such small nuclear plants we need, maybe they are at a very beginning stage. So once the things move forward and the entire setup gets ready, then the equipment part comes in picture. So at that time, I will be able to answer you. Like which plant is putting up what facility, that is not yet clear yet. So once we understand what facilities they are putting up, then things will be more clear.
Sir, regarding this previous person's answer, you told that we are competitive compared to the foreign this manufacturer. So how much percentage might we beat them?
About 30 to 40%.
30 to 40%, we are cheaper compared to them.
Yes.
So are we bidding for some export order currently also?
Sir, we are currently exporting to 27 countries already.
No, but any bidding we are doing at currently under this bid we have submitted?
Yeah.
So what size of it? Can you just, if you have a rough idea, can give?
In the current bid submitted, you mean to say?
Yes, for export purpose only.
Okay. That is, currently it is of the tune of 20 to 25 crores.
Okay. Sir, as per the RHP, you have mentioned that company was working at 100% capacity utilization. So for after doing some CapEx, what could be a maximum CapEx, maximum sales can be derived from current CapEx?
Sorry, I didn't get your question. Can you please
No.
come
As per
again?
the RHP before IPO, you stated in the RHP that company is working at 100% capacity utilization. So we are doing expansion for working capital and other works. So with the current IPO money, so how much, how at the highest level we can achieve the turnover? Could it be 200 crore, 300 crore? Just a rough idea, I want to understand it.
Yeah, 200 will be a realistic figure, I would say. And the 100% utilization, when we are saying, but after making those documents, we have already built one more shed for additional assembly facility. So, when you read this RHP, we already have enhanced our manufacture or assembly space, and that gives us additional 40% expansion the potential.
So do we have still extra land to execute future expansion?
Yeah.
So what's the size of land available with us currently, extra land?
Currently, our plant is set up in 2 acres in Pune.
Okay.
And we have three assembly halls of 10,000 square feet each with 4,000 square feet of offices. And out of 2 acres, let's say 35,000 square feet is utilized. Maybe 20,000 square feet is for internal roads and all. But we can add 1 or 2 sheds additionally into this. But even if we get exhausted with this, we do have land in our possession, very nearby.
So it's in the company's name or it's in a promoter's name?
Yeah, currently this current factory where we are working is on the company's name.
Yes, and additional land, does the company own?
Additional land is on promoter's name, but that can be transferred to the company.
Okay. I understood. Yeah, okay.
Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and 1 to ask a question. Next question comes on the line of Shweta BK with Equilian. Please go ahead.
Yeah, hi. Thank you for the opportunity.
Thank you.
Am I audible?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I wanted to understand, you said that we have bidded for defense orders also. So in that, are we also L1 in most of them, or what is the status in the defense part where we have bidded?
Defense part, we come to know whether we are L1 or no, that we come to know actually when the bid gets open. That always remains a suspense.
Okay. So that, and whatever we've come to know till now, whichever bids have been opened, in that, what is the status?
Yeah, we were L1 and that's how we got those orders also.
Okay, that's great. And so my other question is that our capacity will get increased by, you said we have order books of 100 crores plus almost for next year. So will we also do the capex as per that, or our capacity is good enough for now?
Currently, we are with this facility, we can definitely cater to a revenue of around 200 crores. With this object, what we are trying to achieve is we are trying to improve the efficiency, save on the time so that we can execute more and more orders by doing a few things in-house, and then other advantages of coordination and transportation that will also be there.
Okay. And sir, today the European Union, like how they are saying mother of all deals. So So
Mm-hmm.
we will also be at an advantage because our sector is getting the advantage, whatever I've read. So are we,
Yes.
suppose we have to bid, we get more opportunity there. So are we ready to like divert towards that region compared to what we were looking at Indian or other regions? Like, do we have that strategic approach for sudden opportunities? What do you think about that?
Currently, we are already working with 6 European players. They are very good reputed companies. We are making equipments for them, and they are selling it globally. So I have to still, it is just today's agreement, so I have to still go through what has been agreed and means I have to go through the details. So once
Okay.
we do that, then we will talk to our European partners and find out a way how this association can be more beneficial to both of us. And we'll surely
Okay,
take
so
advantage if it works out.
that's great. So with European contracts, I just want to understand our cash flow. Like, is there a amount blocked with them when we get the order? How does that work for our cash flow?
No, generally, when we get the order from our European partners, we get advance of 20%, and then when the equipment gets ready, we get 70% more. And when the equipment is installed at end customer's place, we get the final 10%.
Okay. So there's not like anything is blocked immediately.
No.
That's
We never
great.
do that actually. We never block our money with anybody. Because why European players are placing orders on us because of our technical know-how and work quality and efficiency.
So I think it's also because the Indian partner is giving better margins to them, right?
Yeah.
Like you just said that we are 30 to 40% cheaper for them
Yes.
compared to the competitors there. So that will be a
Exactly.
good advantage for us.
Sure. And see, every European company is looking for China plus one strategy.
Right.
With current geopolitical situation, people are more comfortable working with Indian companies than Chinese companies because in China the policies are volatile or maybe not certain. So that gives India a good advantage.
And so for European market, what is the maximum product we are selling right now?
We are selling in Europe X-ray equipments, ultrasonic testing equipments, and equipments required for steel plants, and then some spare parts also.
Okay, that's great. Thank you so much for the clarity, sir, and I appreciate you doing a call in spite of just being listed, and it's very, very commendable. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you. A reminder to all the participants that you may press star and one to ask a question. Once again, a reminder to all the participants that you may press star and one to ask a question. Ladies and gentlemen, as there are no further questions, we have reached the end of question and answer session. I would now like to hand the conference over to Achal Jain for closing comments.
Thank you everyone for joining today's call on behalf of Admach Systems Limited. We appreciate your time and participation. For any further queries, please reach out to us at letsconnect@oren.in. Thank you everyone.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you. On behalf of Admach Systems Limited, that concludes this conference. Thank you for joining us. You may now disconnect your lines.